So friends, Samsung has revealed key features of the Galaxy S25 Edge, including the use of Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 display protection and a 200 megapixel main rear camera. The company has also confirmed that it will come with Galaxy AI features. The slim handset from Samsung is set to launch on May 13. Now, ahead of the launch, several key features and accessories for the smartphone have leaked online. The Galaxy S25 Edge will join the existing Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup, and some official looking marketing materials for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge have been shared by Android headlines. The upcoming handset is seen in three colorways in leaked images. Notably, previous leaks had claimed that the phone will be offering in titanium jet black, titanium icy blue, and titanium silver shades. The leaked images suggest that the 200 megapixel primary rear sensor of the Galaxy S25 Edge will support 2x optical zoom, and it is expected to be accompanied by a 12 megapixel ultrawide shooter with autofocus and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. The handset will likely have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and in the images, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge appears to have a display with slim, uniform bezels and a center hole punch slot at the top. The display is confirmed to get Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 protection. The leaked images also tease the slimness of the handset, and it is tipped to be 5.85 mm thick and weight 163 grams. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is said to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, and it may ship with Android 15 based One UI 7 and 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. The phone may be backed by a 3900 mAh battery with 25W charging support, and it has been tipped to support Wi-Fi 7 and a Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity as well. And the report also included leaked images, an anti-reflective screen protector, and a leaked Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge protective cases. And the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is tipped to be priced at €1,249 for the 256GB storage option, while the 512GB variant may cost around €1,369, and it is set to launch globally on May 13. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.